So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on P on your keyboard. Now you want to find print spooler. Here it is. You're going to double click on this. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you're going to click on restart. You want to restart the print spooler service. See if that fixes your problem. For the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the last method, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Now you're going to find printer. Click on run. And then once you're on this, you just want to scroll down and then click on yes to run the printer diagnostics. And now this will come up. You just want to follow all the steps that come up here, and then this should now fix your problem.